A classic collection of philosophical essays. Spinoza, Immanuel Kant, Schopenhauer, Herbert Spencer, Friedrich Nietzsche, Bertrand Russell, and many others. Narrated by Mark Bowen, Peter Coates.
Plato. 1. The context of Plato. If you look at a map of Europe, you will observe that Greece is a skeleton-like hand, stretching its crooked fingers out into the Mediterranean Sea. South of it lies the great island of Crete, from which those grasping fingers captured, in the second millennium before Christ, the beginnings of civilization and culture. To the east, across the Aegean Sea, lies Asia Minor, quiet and apathetic now, but throbbing in pre-Platonic days, with industry, commerce, and speculation. To the west, across the Ionian, Italy stands, like a leaning tower in the sea, and Sicily and Spain, each in those days with thriving Greek colonies, and at the end the Pillars of Hercules, which we call Gibraltar. That somber portal through which not many an ancient mariner dared to pass. And on the north those still untamed and half-barbaric regions, then named Thessaly and Epirus and Macedonia, from which or through which the vigorous bands had come which fathered the geniuses of Homeric and Periclean Greece. Look again at the map, and you see countless indentations of coast and elevations of land. Everywhere gulfs and bays and the intrusive sea, and all the earth tumbled and tossed into mountains and hills. Greece was broken into isolated fragments by these natural barriers of sea and soil. Travel and communication were far more difficult and dangerous than now. Every valley, therefore, developed its own self-sufficient economic life, its own sovereign government, its own institutions and dialect and religion and culture. In each case, one or two cities, and around them, stretching up the mountain slopes, an agricultural hinterland. Such were the city-states of Euboea, and Locris, and Aetolia, and Phocis, and Boeotia, and Achaia, and Argolis, and Elis, and Arcadia, and Messenia, and Laconia with its Sparta, and Attica with its Athens. Look at the map a last time and observe the position of Athens. It is the farthest east.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?